Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on the Snapseed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the plus icon as well as the open button, which you can use in order to open up any image that you would like to edit. Now, if you would like to change the application into dark mode, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings, and you will now see the dark theme option within Appearance. Go ahead and tap on this toggle, and this will now enable the dark theme right away. You can now go back into your application and start using it within dark mode. Now, if you would like to change the setting at any time in the future, you can go back to the three dots menu, and from settings, you can once again disable the dark theme. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable dark mode on the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.